There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I could try for your heart. Our dreams, they are made up of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least for most of the questions in my heart. Like, why are we here, and where do we go, and how come it's so hard? It's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at the stars when we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, so much better when we're together. And all of these moments just might find a way into my dreams tonight. But I know that they'll be gone when the morning light sings or brings new things. For tomorrow night you see that they'll be gone too. Too many things I have to do. But if all of these dreams might find a way into my day-to-day scene, I'll be under the impression I was somewhere in between, with only two, just me and you. And so many things we've got to do, or places we've got to be. We'll sit beneath the mango tree now. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. And the summer in between together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together.